Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing all devices for casting. Ensure your Quest 2 and casting device share the same Wi-Fi network. Connect both devices to a 4 GHz or 5 GHz router as needed. Power on your Quest 2 headset and sign into your Meta account. Install and open the Meta Quest app on your phone or prepare a Chromecast device for TV casting. Confirm the casting target appears in the app or the browser cast menu before you put on the Quest 2 headset and open the universal menu by pressing the Oculus button. Select Share, then choose Cast from the options displayed on the main panel. The headset will scan for available casting targets such as your phone, a browser tab at Oculus, com/casting, or a Chromecast device. Choose the correct target and confirm the on-screen permission to begin casting. Casting will continue until you stop it or the headset powers down. To cast using your phone, open the Meta Quest app and tap the cast icon at the top right. Select your Quest 2 under Available Devices and then choose your phone or a Chromecast target. For browser casting, go to Oculus, com/casting and log into your Meta account to see your headset listed. If casting fails, reboot the headset, phone, or Chromecast and rejoin the same Wi-Fi network. Try switching to 5 GHz for lower latency and better video quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.